Hi students, welcome to my video tutorial series of design and analysis of algorithm. Today, in my last video, I had discussed about greedy algorithm, especially what is the greedy algorithm, where you have to use, what is its usability, that is advantage of it, and its drawback or disadvantages of it. Now, today I am discussing about the simple usability or uses of greedy algorithm. That is, as I told in my previous class, that we can use that in case of knapsack problem, in case of TSP, that is traveling salesman problem. So for the knapsack problem, there is another video you can watch. And today I am discussing about the traveling salesman problem. So, or you can you can also say TSP problem. So here, what is TSP problem? I want to say, given a set of cities and distance between every pair of cities, the problem is to find the shortest possible route that visit every city exactly once and return to the starting point. Note the difference between Hamiltonian cycle and TSP. The Hamiltonian cycle problem is to find if there exists a route, a tour that visit every city exactly once. There we know that Hamiltonian tour exists because graph is complete, and in fact many such tours exist. The problem is to find the minimum weight Hamiltonian cycle. So here is given an example, that is some four nodes are there, there is the four cities are there. Assume that cities Calcutta, Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai. Okay. Now there are four cities and edge are connecting between them. That is the distance between that edge. Weightage means that is the distance between them. So A to B is 20, B to D is 34, D to A is 35, C to B is 30. Okay, C to D is 12, and A to C is 42. Now what you have to do, you have to find the shortest route, shortest distance between that covers the all cities, and reach in the same city. Suppose you have started from A, then you have to traverse all cities, that is B, C, D, in any combination or any way that your weightage will be minimum. You have to find out that. So TSP, that problem, how to travel the city. Suppose A is the source city and visit the whole city on the map and back to the same city A again. The rules are you only visit each city once and you cannot pass through any traverse path. Okay. Now solution for that, that is find the shortest path between city A start to any other cities. So there are from cities A you can go A to B, A to D, A to C, because both are non-directed. Direction is not given, so you can go. If it is direction is given, then you can only go directed way. Okay. So A to B, B to C, A to D, A to C, all you can cover. So because so which one is the nearest city? So A to C is 42, A to D is 35, A to B is 20. So it is minimum, so you have to accept A to B. Next, you have to go from B. B2 are there, B2 A is there, but A is already explored. If you reach in the A, then you cannot traverse or explore any other cities. So you cannot go from B to A. So B to C and B to D you can go. Among these, which one is the minimum? Obviously B to C. So you have to accept that B to C. Now you have to find out the minimum from C to D, C to other nodes. So you can go C to D, C to A, and C to B. But if you go C to A, you will form a circle, so you cannot go there. C to D, C to D you can go, but C to B already you have traversed that path, so C to B you cannot go. So C to D only is the way. So C to D you have to traverse, C to D. Then D2B you can go, but it will form a circle, so you cannot go. So B2C already you have traversed, so B2A is the only way you can traverse. So D2A you have to go, and that will make complete traversal of the city. So at this node D, we cannot go to any city because all neighbor D has been visited. We go back to first city, that is A. So that is the way to traverse the all cities. I think that is clear to you. If you have any query, you can ask me. Okay, thank you very much for watching this.